Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I'm going to be doing a tour and interview, hopefully in the next couple of days, and I came across this Amazon wireless lavalier microphone, and by Meneresas. Uh, yeah, I'm not sure how to say it. Meneresas. Meneresas? If y'all know, let me know in the comments. Anyway, I found this wireless 2-mic adapter and set, rather affordable, I think, on Amazon. Gonna unbox it, hopefully test it out, and we'll see about using it on my next interview. So, as I said, this is pretty affordable. I think a good next step, hopefully, for my hopes and plans for the channel. So let's get started. So this is going to be a set with 2 microphones and sort of a universal adapter. It's got your Lightning for Apple. It's got a USB-C, as well as it's got your typical, I think, 3.5 millimeter. That'll connect into almost any headphone. So let's go ahead and unbox this and take a look at it. All right. Let's see here. So we got, looks like a couple of, I'm gonna guess like wind protectors. I don't know much about microphones. If anyone has used these before, definitely let me know. But I believe these are more for the outside. We have those, one for each. We have our charging cable, and all right, so we got a nice little pouch, little carrying pouch. Okay, all right, and so here's our 2 microphones. It looks like they will come with the clip, which should connect right there. So if we have lapel or connected to the t-shirt, we have our little plastic protective sensor, or just our cover, and power button back there. And then we have, looks like here is our adapter. So as you can see, our USB-C, our Lightning, and then what'll go into, looks like just your typical headphones. And looks like another headphone jack, I guess if you want to hear as well. And then USB-C, I'm gonna guess that is to help charge up the adapter. Obviously the microphone has USB-C as well, so these all need to be charged. It makes sense. Wireless needs to be, we'll have your non-corded solutions. So, all right. So as far as these would work, looks like, yeah, our power buttons, press and hold. Okay, so that is lighting up right there. Let me go ahead and get rid of this. See, that is blinking. And we'll take this one off as well. Press our power button. And it's now showing the green on there. Okay, and so I guess once they pair, we have 2 greens. Excellent. Let's see what happens with the other one. So if we get our second, take this off too. Press and hold. Okay, so it looks like still green, no necessary any indicator. I just clicked it once and went to blue. Now it's back to green. Interesting. So let's see, does this have any instructions with it? Oh, there is. Okay, perfect. So here's our little instruction packet as well. And thank you for choosing. We have our 2 transmitters, our receiver, our windshield, the plush balls, charging ports. You can see that, the clips, power button, the headphone jack, iPhone interface, all that. The status indicator, those are the lights. How to use. We connect the receiver to the phone. It'll be interesting, maybe try and this connected to an iPhone, maybe an Android, and then, never know, maybe even a laptop. That'll probably be my next video, is actually testing out, see how far I can walk away from the microphone or from the adapter without starting getting bad, just how good it sounds. So, all right, so we connect it up. Long press on the microphone, switch on the switch key, becomes green, and long light. Pairing is successful. All right, so that's good. The indicator light is receiving, and mobile phone can pick it up. Okay. This product is multifunction. Record multiple devices on one. That's what I've been looking for. So that's what I'm very excited about. And please adjust the appropriate volume and distance to avoid severe howling. That should be an interesting thing to try to test. That's about it. So that's a quick overview of the manual, turning them on, and all that comes in this box. I'm gonna do a follow-up video either later this week, or might just use it for the interview and we'll see how it goes. I'll have multiple cameras, so we can always try the internal audio, and I actually might do that. Actually do it as part of a, we actually do a live test. We'll put on a shirt, we'll have one holding it. I don't know, we'll see. So, but anyway, that's a quick unboxing overview, and I'm looking forward to giving this a shot. So if you like these unboxing videos and quick overviews, and definitely let me know of any other products that you'd be curious about. I know for me, just still getting started on YouTube or trying to grow the channel, costs need to be minimal, and so I hope this is a pretty affordable but worthwhile investment into the next steps for the channel. So anyway, if you do want more of this, let me know in the comments. If there's any products you think I should take a look at. It can be electronics, it could be fishing stuff, or anything that you just want my perspective on. I'm always open to learning and testing out new things. I find it quite fun. But that's all for now. Goodbye, God bless, see you soon.